Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to see comment history on YouTube. So you have to open the YouTube app on the Android device. So when it's open your YouTube app, you have to go to the profile icon on the below right and you have to click to the settings. So there is manage all history. You have to click to manage all history. So when it's open, it will be loading in 2-3 seconds. So you have to go to interactions. So you have to go to the interactions and there is comment replies. So you have to click to the comment replies. So there you will be see your comment history. So from there you can also delete it and you can see from there. So and you must have to sign in with Google. Your Google was signed in with YouTube. So if you were not signed in, you will not show this option. So must be make sure you will sign YouTube with your Google account. So here you can find, so your YouTube comments are here. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.